What do you think is harder?
Kaj mislite, da je težje?
For me to be born this way
Zame, da sem rojen na tak način,
or
ali pa,
to be born with arms and legs then lose them?
da sem rojen z rokami in nogami in jih kasneje izgubim?
What do you think?
Kaj mislite?
I believe
Jaz
it's
verjamem,
worse having arms and legs than
da
losing
je
them.
težje imeti roke, noge in jih potem izgubiti.
Do you agree?
Ali se strinjate?
What do you think is harder in this scenario?
Kaj pa mislite, da je težje v tem scenariju?
Being born without arms and legs
Da si rojen brez rok ali nog,
or have arms and legs
ali pa da imaš roke in
and
noge
be abused by your father,
in te oče zlorablja,
by your mother,
ali pa mati,
or you see your alcoholic father
ali pa gledaš svojega pijanega očeta,
verbally abuse your mother?
ki verbalno zlorablja tvojo mamo.
I believe
Jaz verjamem,
it's worse being in a broken home than having no arms or
da je
legs.
težje odraščati v zlomljeni družini, kakor biti brez rok in nog.
You go to school,
Ko greš v šolo,
people know your name,
ljudje poznajo tvoje
you know
ime,
other names,
ti tudi njih poznaš,
but you don't know who's broken.
ampak ne veš, kdo je zlomljen v srcu.
And when I went to school,
In ko sem šel v šolo,
a lot of people saw I had no limbs,
so ljudje seveda opazili, da sem brez udov,
but I pretended to not be broken.
ampak sem se delal, da me to sploh ne gane.
I was silent,
Bil sem tiho
and it was bad.
in to je bilo slabo.
Because when I was 8 years old,
Zato, ker ko sem imel 8 let,
I didn't believe that there were good things ahead.
nisem verjel, da me čakajo še dobre stvari v življenju.